praise name of Allah who is the most merciful and almighty. So, Assalamu alaikum guys. Today is our topic about subject. So, a lot of people, they are facing with different type of difficulty. They don't know that what is and this sentence, what is subject. So today I bring up for you this so important topic for making a sentence. So the doer of an action is called subject. This was my subject definition. The doer of an action. But the doer of an action is called subject. So here a lot of example we have the subject. So here I wrote in front of you only 3 example. So let's Ali is writing a story. Here Ali is in this sentence. Ali is subject. What? Here because it is working in the example. So that is the subject. Number 2, they are playing football. So there is they is what? Subject. Subject of pronoun. They is with us. It is a pronoun, and here it is a subject. So they are playing football. Number 3 with us. Here is we. What is we with us? And so we are playing for English. We are studying English. Sorry. We are studying English. Here the we is subject with us. So I only show the subject in this definition, but I am going to learn a lot. So there is with us helping verb, present continuous tense, and writing with us verb. But ing form of verb. So this is object, the subject are helping verb, and playing ing form of verb. So be is subject, R is helping verb, and studying, that is the verb. So guys, that was my topic about subject. I hope that you understand clearly. So that thank you for watching my video and subscribe my channel.